Hello friends and welcome back to HTML5 course. I am the instructor. My name is Abdul Waheed. In today's class we are going to discuss about HTML 5.0 introduction with its new tech. So before that friends, in our last classes we have just created this layout just by using table tag. So this is the layout that we have created just by using table tag or inside table tag, and this is the layout that we have created inside the div tag. So in this class we are just going to discuss about HTML 5.0 introduction with its new tech. So I have some information inside the notepad plus or notepad. So HTML, what is HTML5? HTML5 is the new standard for HTML, which is still under construction. HTML is the latest version of hypertext markup language, or you can say just HTML. The code that describe web pages, it is actually three kinds of code or three types of code. So you know HTML is the new standard for HTML, which is still under construction, which means still they are working on this, they are researching. HTML is the latest version of hypertext markup language. So HTML is the latest version. After this version there is no version, so it is the latest version. The code that describe web pages, it is actually three kinds of code. The first one is HTML, which provide the structure, and the second one is CSS, or we can say cascading style sheet, which take care of its presentation, and the third one is JavaScript, which make things happen. So we have just three types of code or three kinds of code: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. By using HTML5 you can create a dynamic website. It means that with the previous version of HTML it was not possible to create a dynamic website, but HTML5 is the latest version of HTML. By using HTML5 you can create a dynamic website. So we have just some new text inside the HTML5, new text introduced in HTML5. The first one is doc type HTML, which we have already discussed about this in our previous classes. So we have header tag. So header tag is used for header. Footer tag, footer is for footer. We have article tag, aside tag, section, and nav tag. So we will discuss just each of them and one by one, and we will work on each of them. So we have video tag for including video, canvas tag used for graphical purpose, audio tag for including audio inside our web page. So track, it is a tag used for including music. So we have comment tag, we have detail tag, summary tag, dialog used for boxing in HTML, and just figure tag used for images. Age group, you know that age group from heading 1 till heading 6, so it's called age group. So in HTML5 we have just tag by name of age group. So we have mark tag, so for highlighting the text, or we have time tag for just displaying the time and date on inside our web page. So we will just discuss on every of them, or just step by step, one by one we will discuss. So I think it is enough for this class, and in this class we have just discussed about HTML5 is the new standard for HTML, which is still under construction. So HTML5 is the latest version of hypertext markup language, or HTML. So the code that describe the web pages, it is actually three types or three kind. The first one is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So by using HTML5 you can create a dynamic website, and these are the new text inside the HTML5. So you can just copy this, and we will just work on each of them. So in next class we will come back and we will just create a layout just by using this text. So till next class, just watch this video. Have a nice time and see you.